Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a planetary orbit map pattern using Python. So let us start this by importing the required libraries. So, matplotlib is used for plotting 2D and 3D graphs, and numpy is used for numerical operations such as trigonometric functions and arrays. And now we'll define planet parameters. So here each tuple represent a planet, where the first one represent Earth, the second Mars, then Venus, Mercury and Jupiter. And here A represent a semi-major axis, which is how far the planet is from the sun on average. And E is eccentricity, it means how stretched the orbit is, that is 0 is equals to circle, which is close to 1 means elongated. And here it is defined different colors for visualizations. And now we'll generate angular values. So this creates 500 points from 0 to 2 pi radians to represent the angle around a circle, which is a full orbit. And now we'll create the plot. So here figure creates a square figure and axis with 6 into 6 inches and set aspect equal. This ensures x and y scales are the same, preserving the orbit shape, and background color is set to black for space-like look, and ax.setTitle sets a suitable title to the plot with font size 16. And now we'll plot the orbits. So this is a semi-minor axis from semi-major and eccentricity. So here orbit in Y. This represent the orbit is in Y axis and offset for Sun at focus. And this represents the orbit in Y axis. So here in this loop, this calculates the elliptical shape for each planet, and x and y defines the shape of the orbit using parametric equation, and minus a into e, here it recenters the ellipse so the Sun sits at one focus per Kepler's first law and draws the orbit with a specified color. And now we'll draw the Sun. And this puts the Sun at the origin 0, 0 in bright yellow color, so it looks like Sun. And now we'll customize the axis. So ax dot set limit sets the limit to the frame, the orbit, and similarly it sets the y limit, and ax dot legend adds a legend with the orbit information, and ax dot axis of hides axis lines takes for clean appearance, and at last we will display the plot. So here we can see the planetary orbit map. So here with the yellow color it represents the Sun, and with the orange color it represents Venus, and with the blue color it represents Mercury, with the grey color it represents Earth, and with the red color it represents Mars, and with the brown color it represents Jupiter. So thanks for watching this video.